So, hello everybody. I'm Stephen Wesley from Iris IoT. We are the Genus Care partner for the UK. Bit of background: I've been in telecoms for over 30 years, and we look at innovation, try to predict what's going to be next using the latest technology, and also look for gaps in the market. So, the assisted living care market, obviously, it's a massive transition at the moment from analog over to digital, and where it's going to be in the future is incredible. So we scoured the world to find what was going on, and we came across a Dutch company called Genus Care, who had a product, and we do a lot of collaboration, so we don't try and own everything. We strongly believe in working together with different partners, and Genus had the same ethos as ourselves, which was to build better products, better solutions. More importantly, to actually listen to what the clients needed, so the people we were delivering the solutions to, what kind of product they need. So I've not got a demonstration as a PowerPoint. I'm actually going to do a live demonstration of the kit. So fingers crossed, these never go well. So this is the Genus frame itself. So there's quite a lot of sensors built into the digital frame. So we have temperature, humidity, light, noise. It even registers every time somebody touches the screen. We have a built-in video camera, and on the back of the device there is a radar and some more in-depth air quality sensors as well. So for the device, it runs on 4G as a SIM. There is an option to have built in already. There is an eSIM, so we'd probably select that from a different provider for resilience. Then it also uses Wi-Fi. Then it also uses hard internet as well. So you've got 4 types of connectivity. The device comes with a 10,000 milliamp backup battery, so that should last around 12 to 15 hours if there's a power loss from the device. And in the back end of the device, you can also set up alerts. So if we was to take the power out for a short time, we get a notification. That would not go through to the platform because it's not critical. So in the Genus platform, you can set the thresholds of when you're going to be alerted of an emergency when it gets down to a critical, say 20 or 30%. So that's the device itself. What we've also done is looked at how the sector is addressing the current digital changeover, and of course the first phase is to replace the pendant or the panic button. So on the device there is an SOS button, but we can also add off-the-shelf Bluetooth buttons. So these can be placed around the home. So you could literally flood a place with 20 different low-power Bluetooth buttons to raise an alert. So you don't have to physically be with the device. We've also added GPS tracking. So GPS tracking device, which does exactly the same as the home button, but the difference being it does send the location as well if an alert has been raised, and the GPS location has got 2-way audio in as well. One of the other things we've done is have different levels of when alerts happen, how they are responded to. So traditionally, when a pendant or an SOS is raised, it goes straight through to the ARC, the Alarm Response Center. But what we've done is we've actually put a buffer. So friends and family, if the client, the user, does have friends and family available to them through an app, through the Genus app, will get a notification to say somebody's raised an alarm. In the back end of that platform, you can set a time amount of when it's going to be pushed to the second level and push that through to the ARC. So, for example, if you've got 20 friends and families, you might want to give them 2 or 3 minutes to respond at a local level. But if that didn't happen, then it'd get escalated into the ARC through Skyresponse. So button, simple button, what it does is you press the alert, that will then call all your contacts to let them know that you have requested, there we go, So it comes up that an alert has been raised. And in that notification, you can then let everybody know if you're able to respond. If you're not able to respond, what will happen is we will all get notification that nobody's responded, and it will go through to the ARC. If somebody is able to take action, then we'd all get notification of who's taken responsibility. More important, the end user of the frame will also get that an alert as well, so they know who is coming to help them. And for compliance, that's held in the cloud, so you can go back and see who took ownership of that. If the call was to go through to Skyresponse, so I'll quickly share my screen here. Bear me a second. Here we go. So on the Skyresponse, this is the frame that you would get to see. And if an alert was to come in, what will happen is, first of all, it'd go through to all the friends and family. But then within a couple of seconds, if you've set it, there you can see on the left-hand side, we've got an alert come in. And then from that, as soon as you take ownership of the alert, a screen pops up to show you if you want to make a call into the frame. So if I start a video call there, what will happen is it'll initiate the call to the end user. That end user will then their video will pop up so they can see who they're talking to. We can have whoops. That's a call from Jill from Genus, who's in China at the moment. So he's just got my alert and he's responded to that. But at the end of the call, Stuart didn't accept it. But once you've closed it down, there would then be a notification of you being able to take action of why you had that call and what the outcome of that call was as well. So that's a very brief overview. I can talk for hours about Genus, where we're going.